Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Claude on iPhone. Want to use Claude on your iPhone the right way? Let me show you. Now Claude works perfectly on iPhone in 2026. Whether you're chatting, writing, studying, you don't need anything complicated, just the correct setup. So let's walk through it step by step. Now the first thing you want to do is to open Safari or Chrome on your iPhone. Once you do that, you're gonna go to the Claude website AI like this, and you're gonna open it. And here you're gonna log into your account. This is done on your Safari browser. And you can start a new chat, type or use voice input, and rotate screen for better writing. You can also download the Claude iOS app from the App Store like this. We're gonna go to the App Store and make sure to click on install the app. Then you can code here with Claude AI in your iPhone as an application. You can access it, you can log into this application, and you can use it. Now make sure to never use the outdated browsers, and private mode may cause logouts. Also enable the cookies and use Wi-Fi for faster responses. And that's it. You're not using Claude on iPhone in 2026 like a pro. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.